Hello, good friends. Dylan Olson back here with another lesson. Today, I am going to show you how to draw Taz the Tasmanian Devil from the beloved Looney Tunes series. So, sit back, relax, grab a piece of paper and a nice pencil, and let's get started. So, the first thing that we need to put in is almost a heart shape, except the bottom of it is going to be kind of curved because it's a chin, because a pointed chin would look ridiculous. And like I always say, draw lightly, because not all these lines are going to be used later. And then we need to draw a lower, kind of a top curve. That's where the bridge of his nose will be. And then we need to draw like a half circle for the top of his head. Now we need to draw, we're going to start out with his nose. And his nose is like a tilted oval. Think of maybe a watermelon. Oh, skinny oval nose. No, dark in the top. And then put a slightly smaller oval on the top. That's the highlight of the nose. And then you can color it in black so it looks like a highlight. You know, when the sun hits his nose, a light shines. A big black oval nose. Like that. Now we need to draw his eyes. Now we're going to draw his eyes. And his eyes will be almost these half circles, not really perfect ones. They go like this. And then another one goes like this. Okay, now we're going to put in his pupils. We're going to put them on the same side of each eye so that he's looking straight. And then color them in black like we did with the nose. And now we need to draw his cheeks. He's a furry character, so we're going to put these zigzag lines on the sides. They go like that. And then this one will be a little bigger. And a slightly smaller one on this end right here. And make sure that it lines up a little with this one right, the other. And then we will draw his eyebrows real quick, which go like around his eyes. And they have zigzag lines on them too. We'll make one a little thicker than the other. And just like that. And then color those in black too. Just like that. Now we need to draw, we'll do his mouth now. We're gonna start with a dimple that curves like this and then stops about there. And the other one that starts here and then stops about here. Like that. Now we need to draw his lower mouth. His upper mouth. And it starts like here and then goes in kind of a rounded W shape. And then it stops right here. See that? Now, real quickly, we need to put in like kind of these eyelids. That's one stops here, and then another one that goes like this. All right, now we need to draw his teeth. We'll have one tooth right here going. We'll start with his middle teeth. Okay, these are the top middle teeth. Then we need to draw slightly bigger that goes down like this. And another one that goes like this. And one more on this side. This one is going to end right there. And this one will be a little smaller, unlike this one. His teeth are, not sure what you'd say about them. And now we need to get his backer teeth right here. Curved and goes right there. Put another one. And it's gonna go just like this. Now we need to put one more right here. And then we put one more tooth right there. Put a straight line right there because that's gonna be where his mouth, an edge of his mouth. Now, we need to kind of get his upper fur. So we will draw some some zigzag lines. This point will go to the eyelid right there. Then curves up here. And then one more that goes like that. And then we need to put the zigzag lines on top, and it's gonna curve over here. One more up here, and this one's gonna curve in the opposite direction. And then we'll get this other one. Just like that. And now we need to put his top head right there. His head right there. Okay, now we need to put his ears on him. So we'll start off with these circular shapes. They're not perfect circles. They're like maybe half ovals. And make sure they're even with the other one. This one's even with the other one. Well, then we need to draw the outer part of his ears. One goes like this, and the other goes like this. And now we need to get his upper fur. I already got that one. There's one fur that goes like this. That should do it. Now we need to get his lower mouth. This side's going to curve a little down. And this one's going to curve a little inward like that. Now we need to draw his bottom teeth. So we'll start out with this one. And it's going to go like this. And then we'll get his lower, maybe lip, you might say. Then we need to put his middle bottom tooth. This, you don't see the whole tooth there. One curves up here, goes like this, right here. Teeth is a little tricky, so take your time. If you need to pause the video in places, you can. It's always good to slow down and get references. We're gonna get his right teeth. One here. And one last one going right here. And now let's get the lower part of his mouth. It's gonna go like this. And then one more. Make sure you put a point right there because that's like it's folding or a wrinkle. And now let's get the rest of his chin in. And then we'll put another curve right there. And there, that's Taz, the Tasmanian Devil. I hope you had fun drawing with me. If this video helps you, give a like and subscribe. And if you need to watch this again, play it again. Hope you had fun. I'll see you next time.